Hi, I'm Kiki from KikaGoods. Today we are going to make a tutorial, which is about 10,000 Escape Plan Series BJD joints assembly. So, how to make their joints tighter? Let's see the detail in this video. Before diving in, don't forget to hit subscribe button in the lower right corner for more unboxing reviews. Some players asked about the specific assembly of BJD dolls before. Now, we need to disassemble the joints of this body one by one. And just follow the instructions in the video. For the arms, remove the arm joints one by one in sequence. You can see the left and right abbreviations marked here. I'm not sure if the camera captures them clearly. To avoid mistakes, I'd say put them in order. Also, do the same for the other arm. Then, the leg. The same goes for the legs, with left and right letters marked. Remember to arrange them in order as you disassemble them. Finally, we also need to take out the elastic string. Okay, now let's start from the hand part. Here is the elastic string we've prepared for the hands. Its diameter is 1 millimeter, and recommended to fold them to about 5 centimeters in length. For the hands aluminum wire, we suggest using 1 millimeters diameter wire, approximately 8 centimeters in length. Put the elastic string inside the body with the string puller. Simply adjust it and make the knot in the middle. Then, let the aluminum wire go through it. Keep both sides the same length. Fix the other end of the elastic string with an object to prevent it from pulling inside, just like this in the video. Next, assemble the arm joints in order through both the elastic string and aluminum wire. Once again, make sure the order is correct. Then put on the hand. Before that, you should fix the S-hook on the hand and connect with the elastic string outside. To make it much tighter, we replace the original hook with a shorter one. Once they are fully assembled, pull and coordinate them properly. And do the same on the other hand. Okay, it's time to assemble the leg part. Similarly, cut the length of elastic string. It's about 12 centimeters in length. For the leg's aluminum wire, we recommend using 1.5 millimeters diameter. Put the elastic string inside the buttocks with the string puller. Also, make sure the knot is in the middle. Here, I would like to use something through the elastic string to prevent it from being pulled in. Also, keep both sides the same length. Next, thread the leg joints through the elastic string in sequence. And we also should to prevent it from pulling inside, like this. At this point, put the aluminum wire in and make simple adjustments as needed. Here I use a pliers, or another tool you like, to secure the elastic string to prevent it from pulling inside. And connect foot to the elastic string. I think you already know how to do it, and the same goes for the other leg. Now we're going to connect it to the upper part of the body. Pull the elastic string out from the neck and connect with the S-hook. You can refer to this picture for the correct placement of the elastic string. At this point, be careful not to let the elastic below string snap back. The last step is to put the head on. Looking at this joints, it's definitely much better than before. The most noticeable improvement is that it's much tighter, and the mobility is excellent. I'm super glad that there are no issues with loose heads or slack joints. Overall, it's very perfect. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to smash that like button and share it with your fellow collectors. And of course, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more unboxing content. This is Kiki from KikaGoods. See you next time.